Draw and correct. Hello friends! Today I'm going to draw a toothbrush with toothpaste. Make a curl on the bottom. Make another curl a little bit higher. Make a little curl above. Then make a little rectangle. Then draw a little bit toothpaste. Make two eyes, a mouth, a tongue, and eyebrows. Draw a straight line. Then draw a rectangle. Then make a bowl line. Draw little lines for the toothbrush. Draw curls on the left side. Draw two eyes that are closed with eyelashes and a little mouth. Draw with a pen over the pencil lines. Color time. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.